Hey guys, hi, we're back. So, last episode, we got the side skirts and the lips painted. Now I got the bumper out here, back here, right here, and we're gonna get the rear lip on and try and get the car buttoned up a bit because I like driving it. It's been nice out. So, but we still got some work to do because after we get the rear bumper back on, we're gonna focus on getting the interior back in, and then we're gonna take the front bumper off, try and do some repair on that and put the lip on. Then we're gonna get to the rest of the body. So buckle up, I need to get some tools, figure this out. Catch you guys up in a second. So it starts off on this side. We got 2 bolts for each of the splash guards. And then we got a whole bunch of clips on the inside here. And we have a rusted bolt there in the middle and bolts at the ends. So let's get to it. All right, it's a new day. We finally got the lip on here. And after a wash, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look real nice. Now is the grueling work of getting it put on the car. All right, and just like that, the bumper is back on. Would you turn on the lights? Let's make sure that the license plate light still works. Yes, sir. We're good to go. Okay, so as you guys can see, I put the interior back together. That was not fun to do. So when it gets better outside and I have more time, maybe this will be another episode, but I have the lip to put on, I have the side skirts to put on. We got some new wheels. I just have to get them mounted and balanced first, and that will go on, and then we should be good to get it out of the garage. Once again, I have an appointment to go get it looked at for rust on that side that you guys seen before in about 2 weeks. So hopefully they don't burn me too bad. If not, we're gonna be looking good. While I'm still outside, I thought I'd take care of this little bump that happened on this side. I know this is probably not the best way to spray this bumper, but I'm just gonna mask off the light real quick, spray it with whatever's left of this dupa color, and hopefully it comes out well. I've already sanded it with 2000 post primering it, so we should be chilling. I don't know about y'all, but I call that a decent patch. Just wait, I still gotta put clear. I'm gonna sand down this side and feather the clear in. But that is much better than how it looked. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bruh. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as a screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you see me.